But let's do y equals x cubed. So I'm going to get rid of this. Well, I'll leave our limit definition there. Let's draw out another graph here. Actually, I'll put it over here so we have room, or maybe I'll just make sure we have room on the axes there. So, okay. I hope this isn't too messed up, but our graph of y equals x cubed is going to look something like this. That's a little shaky, obviously, but that'll do. Now, let's go to 2 on here and see what it is on y equals x cubed. Oh, and before I forget, let's mark this off. So we've done that one. Let's just go with 2. What's the tangent line right here? And it's going to look something like this. So let's say, what's the slope of this line? Let's find out. So, x naught again is 2. So f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 over h. When as h goes to 0. So, as you're seeing, this seemingly complex equation is actually can be solved pretty quickly. 2 plus h cubed minus f of 2 over h, limit as h goes to 0. That is clearly much easier to do on paper compared to writing writing on the computer, but let's go ahead and see. Oh, sorry, this is f, or sorry, I guess it's not, we don't really need to do that. Let me just change this to 2 cubed to stay consistent here. So 2 plus h cubed, we're going to get 4 plus 4h plus h squared, like from before, but this time this is going to be multiplied by another 2 plus h. So this is our 2 plus h squared expanded, multiplied by one more. And this equals, let's do this, 8 plus 8h plus 2h squared plus 4h plus 4h squared plus h cubed. Now let's combine our common terms. So we get h cubed h cubed plus 6h squared plus 12h. No, that's not very good. 12h plus 8 plus 8, and let me get rid of all of this up here. Take this, and I'm going to use the magic of technology to move this up here. So this equals that. And f of 2 is 8. 2 cubed is 8. So let's get rid of this messy thing, and say limit as h goes to 0. of, I'll use more magic here. I kind of like doing this copy, it makes it faster, of this minus 8 over h. And if you see how we rearranged this before, we can see these cancel out again, and this canceling is going to be pretty common. In fact, I think a lot of the questions I did in my canceling common factors video had this feature where a component of it would cancel and we'd have some h's left over to cancel. So let's go ahead and factor the h out. We'll say h times h squared plus 6h plus 12 all over h. Limit as h goes to 0. So now this, I just realized I've run over the time now, so I'm going to have to make this into 2 parts. You'll be already watching this in the second part, but that's why I was hesitating for a second. Anyways, so these h's cancel, and we're left over, plug in 0. 0 squared is 0, so this goes away. 0 going into 6h is simply 0, so that goes away, and we're left with 12. So 12 is our answer, and we've solved an example problem, the slope of the tangent line at 2 on y equals x cubed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be the derivatives. We're finally done with limits, and we're ready to move on into the real fun part of calculus.